We have sprung forward closer to spring, but it does not feel like that outside. 22 News reporter Tashani Whitlow found out some retailers are forced to keep winter products on the shelves a little longer than they would like.
March came roaring in like a lion. Warmer temperatures in February left many of us thinking spring was making an early arrival, to only be disappointed by 2 March nor'easters in less than 2 weeks.
Well, it's costing me aggravation and plowing my driveway. You know, they don't plow for nothing.
And we could be seeing more snow Tuesday.
Rocky's Ace Hardware store in Agawam told 22 News that when Western Massachusetts received abnormally warm temperatures in February, they removed all their winter products. But after the first nor'easter, they were forced to put it out right next to the lawn fertilizer.
Going on right now, we have to make everything available for our customers. So when it's nice out, we have to have the rakes, the leaf bags, the spring cleanup stuff available. But at the same time, if the weather is getting snowy and bad out, we have to have that winter stuff on the side too for them.
Spring is less than 2 weeks away and most people are ready for it. But that doesn't mean March will go out like a lamb. If temperatures are cold enough, we could get more snow. In Agawam, Tashani Whitlow, 22 News.